Step 22. Scaling your business. Once your first product is selling well, it's time to think bigger. Scaling your business means multiplying results, not just working harder. Launch more products. Expand product line. Related niches. The fastest way to grow is by launching new products. Start with variations or related items in the same niche to leverage your existing success. Expand advertising. Amazon PPC. External ads, Google, TikTok, FB. Increase visibility with advanced Amazon PPC campaigns or external ads from platforms like Google, TikTok, or Facebook. Consider international markets. Amazon UK, EU, Canada, etc. Amazon operates worldwide. Expanding into Europe, Canada, or the UK can double or triple your sales potential. Automate and outsource. Virtual assistants. Software automation. Hire virtual assistants and use software to manage tasks like customer service, inventory, and PPC, freeing your time for strategy. Reinvent with branding. Brand registry. Build customer loyalty. Register your brand with Amazon Brand Registry. Strong branding increases trust, improves marketing options, and creates long-term value. Outro. Course wrap-up. Congratulations! You're ready to sell on Amazon. You've completed the course. You now know how to launch, manage, and scale your Amazon business. The journey starts now. Keep learning and keep growing.